Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to create a list of all installed programs or applications on Windows 7, 8, and 10. But before we start, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you. Now, let's get started. First, you will have to enter some commands, so open your web browser and type the URL shown on the screen. Or you can click on the link in the description. After successfully loading the page, click on the Windows search bar and search for PowerShell. In order to display the list of all your installed applications, highlight the first command and press Ctrl+C to copy. Now, go to PowerShell and right-click to paste the command. Now, press Enter. This is the list of all my installed programs. Now, I want to list all of my installed programs in a text file. Close and reopen PowerShell. Press Ctrl+C to copy the command. Right-click in PowerShell to paste the command. Now, erase the command from the bottom to where you can see the last / after users. Now, type the username of your PC. This username should be the same as the username you will see here. Type another / and type the location you will like to save your installed applications. For me, I will like to save it on the desktop, so I will type desktop. Type another / and type the name you want to give to your file. I will like to name mine installed programs, so I will type installed_programs.txt. Make sure there's no space between the file names, and the file ends with a .txt. After typing the file name, press Enter. As you can see, there is a new file on my desktop named Installed Programs. Let me open the file for you to see. As you can see, the list of all my installed programs have been saved to a text file. So, that is how you can create a list of all installed programs on Windows. Thanks for watching. Please, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you.